we've got a couple of signs that are about 4 feet. This guy's 4 feet by 3 feet. Bigfoot with the flag. And then we've got the monogram with the oars. That's about 40 inches. And both of them have the mill scale still on them. So today's challenge is to build something so that we can put these larger signs into the vinegar to get the mill scale off so we can prep and paint. So what I'm thinking is something that we can put together quick, because we don't do a lot of these bigger signs. That's the bigger of the two. That's the 3 foot by 4 foot. So he'd have to go on there something like that. Okay, here's the prototype. I welded a cage out of 3/16 rod around the perimeter of the board. It's about 45 inches square of usable space. A retaining ring made from 3/8 rod fits inside the cage. So I'll install a piece of 5x5 plastic onto the cage pins and put the retaining ring over the plastic, making a leak-proof tub for the signs. As you can see here, my larger sign just fits. This is 10 foot by 100. I'll take out 5 feet. And then I'll put it on there. Get some vinegar.
Look at this. How nice.
The sign's been in about 24 hours.